All right, Eklund, you're in Georgia. You're in courtrooms in Georgia. What would Eklund do if you're in that situation?
Oh, there's no trial, because the issue is that we were there. Hundreds of thousands of people lost their lives. And when we, the difference is we have COVID protocols to prevent the spread of COVID. And one of the protocols were like negative tests. Before we could even open things, we needed negative tests. So the idea that although preventative measures were done afterwards, he, as a defendant on a trial for his life, has absolutely the right to ask for a postponement, because you don't know his story. We don't know. We don't know how COVID can affect him. We don't know if he has a respiratory issue. We don't know if he visits people in jail. There's so many things that we're not considering, and I think that it should have been for the purposes of judicial economy, because I think that he has a very good appealable issue that court should have stopped.
What will it take for this jury to be convinced that this was a sexual assault versus someone who was in this polyamorous thing and was a little bit upset about the way things went? I don't know. It just seems like it's not your classic sexual assault case or sexual assault accuser.
I honestly don't think it matters. I think he wins it procedurally. The fact that there was a positive COVID test negates all of that. I think that he has the defense rights itself. The fact that he also showed damage and that he didn't testify on his own behalf, because it's either testify and be subject to COVID, or, be in the jailhouse and risk testifying via television. So I think that his rights were so infringed that it doesn't matter the facts at this point.